Hey, this is Kate with WTI. I truly believed that silverware had to be boring for years, and that is not the case at all. Look how gorgeous this flatware set by Bysta is. It is a matte gold finish dipped in white. They are stainless steel and they are so beautiful. Like, I am completely obsessed with this flatware. I think that if you have this set and you bring them out when you have company over, they are going to be so impressed with how elegant your setting is. But for everyday use, these are amazing. They're dishwasher safe, which makes them so convenient for cleanup, and they are really durable. So of course it's a complete set with, you have the larger dinner fork, you've got your smaller fork, you've got a butter knife, you've got the smaller spoon, and then the soup spoon. And how perfect is that soup spoon? These are just so beautiful, and they also have a really nice weight to them as well, which I really appreciate. In no way do they feel flimsy. They do not feel cheap. They are sturdy and they have a really great weight. So this flatware set is perfect for our everyday to grab and use for whatever we need. And it is also perfect to place out when we have company over for dinner because they are just so elegant. So if you're looking for a new flatware set, maybe yours needs a little updating, maybe you have a boring one like I did, I highly recommend checking this out by Bysta. They have a whole bunch of different finishes, but I thought that the matte gold with that white edge was so beautiful. You are going to impress your company. You are going to impress yourself and make yourself smile when you grab these for everyday use. I absolutely love them, and I think that you will too, but that's just my point of view.